Hi, this is just a short preview of an upcoming change to fmAccounting Link Xero Edition, and this change is brought about by changes that Xero make into their API and the move away from OAuth 1.0a to OAuth 2.0 for authenticating with the Xero API. This isn't something you need to worry about immediately for existing customers. You have until December 2020, so 12 months to migrate to OAuth 2.0. For new customers who do new integrations, they will need to use OAuth 2.0a from the 2nd of December 2019. So we'll be releasing a free update soon that will support OAuth 2.0a. This is just a quick preview to show you how this will work. So let's go to our organization screen now. Previously, Xero used the concepts of public and private apps, and you created some keys, and they created a consumer key, and you exchanged those, and that's how you authenticated. Now with OAuth 2.0a, it's a bit different. So let's jump over to the Xero developer website, and here's an app, and you'll see that it's neither a private app or a public app. All apps are the same now, and we've got our OAuth 2.0 credentials. So you need to generate a client ID, a client secret, and supply a redirect URI. So let's just minimize that. So I've gone and generated those, copy and pasted those across into the organization setup screen, and now I'm ready to authenticate. So I'm going to click the authenticate button, and this time with OAuth 2.0 you need a user with privileges to the organization to actually authenticate at least once. So let's just log into my demo version, and we'll log in, and I've got two-factor authentication turned on, so I'll just punch in my code. And now this is that's a bit different. So I'm going to first of all allow access, and then we get to the screen where it shows the scopes or the sort of extended privileges that we have. So I've enabled all the scopes for the all the modules or API endpoints that fmAccounting Link needs to access, so contacts, invoices, and so on. And if I'm happy with that, I can then hit connect, and that's going to approve access to that Xero organization. Now I just need to scroll up a bit, to get to my continue button, and I'm just going to click that, and that's going to complete the process. And what that does is that results in a access token that expires shortly, and a refresh token, and a tenant ID. And the tenant ID is tied to my organization, and that refresh token can be used to refresh the access token after it expires in about 30 minutes. And that can all be done silently. So you just need to do the initial authentication with a person who's logged into Xero using that web viewer that we just looked at, and afterwards the authentication can be all automated and performed without anyone having to actually log into Xero. So that's how it's going to work. We'll have that update out in December, and please let us know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.